This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
I just got a really fun notification that a package was delivered, and this year, y'all, I got a P.O. box. So if you want to be my pen pal, if you want to send me anything to review, I'll leave my address on the screen right now. Feel free to send me something.
Huh?
Well, I have a package. It just wasn't the one I was expecting to open today. Gosh, I swear, after getting a P.O. box, it's been the hardest to get packages sent to me.
4 to 6 days later.
A week later, I finally have my package in hand. I have some serious beef with USPS because I'm too impatient to be waiting for so long for packages. But today's mystery bundle is from Tunnel Vision. I'm so excited. Okay, so to be entirely honest, I wasn't gonna make a video out of this because it was just like a personal purchase. I wanted to enjoy it, you know, on my own. But it's my second purchase ever from Tunnel Vision. The first time around, I bought their vintage. This time around, I have no idea what's in this. I don't even know if it's like their own in-house design clothes, if it's their vintage. I honestly just chose my sizes and fingers crossed it's fits because I'm still on my period. But it was $50, free shipping. That's like one of the cheapest bundles I've come across in a really long time. So before we open that, let's just do again a deep dive into their Instagram. And I'm a little biased. I am obsessed with Tunnel Vision. I am obsessed with Madeline, the owner of Tunnel Vision. I literally bought her book. I haven't got past the first page, but I'm telling myself I will finish this by this year. Madeline is just a big inspo to me because she's also from the Central Valley, like literally within the same area. It's very conservative over there. So growing up as a Mexican American and having this very like, not unique, but like just different fashion style from everyone else there just kind of made me realize, oh my gosh, I do not belong here. I need to get out. So she really is an example of you can leave the Central Valley and be successful. She's also pretty political. On her TikTok, she really just dumbs it down. She simplifies politics to the point where it's easy to digest and it's actually entertaining. But for real, let me just stop fangirling. Let me open up Tunnel Vision on Instagram. They've got over 431,000 followers. That's nearly 500,000. But they sell vintage and their sweat shop and y'all, I'm wearing my retainers right now and it's my last tray. So in 2 weeks, these are gonna finally be gone and I can get veneers. But okay, as I was saying, they're also sweatshop free. They produce their own original designs, which sadly get ripped off by fast fashion brands. They carry sizes extra, extra small to 5X. So let's just jump onto their website and then look at that mystery listing just so that we can get more information on what could possibly be in it. Their website's freaking awesome. I love their marketing. Their models are of all skin tones and body shapes. I'm actually not finding the mystery bag listing, but luckily for me, I actually took pictures of it. After I purchased this 11 days later, I got my order. And so it's a garment mystery bag, at least $100 value. Again, $50 free shipping. It says that the mystery bag is packed with a surprise bundle of Tunnel Vision items. It includes a random assortment of 3 articles of clothing and 1 accessory, so 4 items total. And it doesn't say if they're clothing items that were designed by Tunnel House themselves or if it's the vintage that they curate. So we're all in for a surprise. Let's finally get to opening this. I also have pretty high expectations because I posted on my IG stories that I was getting a mystery bag, and a few of y'all were telling me that they're really good, so I have high expectations. This is what the bag is looking like. Oh, y'all, I'm seeing neon. Neon colors is just one thing I really don't like. To me, it just kind of gives cheap. It looks tacky and not in a good way. I'm trying not to look at anything. The first thing I see is this. Oh, I wonder, I don't know what the heck is falling. Should we do accessory first? Geez, that was heavy. Okay, here's my receipt for that. Oh my gosh, we're doing an accessory first and it has stars. This is massive. What the heck is this? I don't know if I like the chain though. Oh, is this a bracelet? Is this a choker? No, it's too small to be a choker. But it's wrapped really nicely. Look at this. Okay, let me just get this undone. one chunky ass chain. Look at that. That is so massive. It's like the size of 2 fingers and it has all of these stars. How do they know? I'm so obsessed with stars. Just kidding, y'all. And then one of the stars actually has the engraving tunnel vision on it. She's on, but she falls right off. This doesn't fit me. And also, okay, this stays on a little bit better on this hand because this hand's a little bit thicker than this one, but I can still slip it right off. Maybe that's why it was included in the bundles. Sizing just isn't there for me. It could have been super awesome though. So we have this clasp that you just slide in as a super thick chain and these huge stars all throughout, and they all have different styles to them. I don't know what else I would use this for since I can't wear it. So if any of y'all are interested in this, let me know and I can list it on my website, all thanks to Squarespace. They empower individuals to create an online web presence, but also launch their passion projects. So all thanks to Squarespace. I have my own website, it's twinl.com, and I made a new category where I've listed all my Y2K dead stock inventory. And it was super easy to do this because Squarespace offers a ton of tools. The first one is e-commerce templates. So they have a library full of different website layouts to choose from. You just choose the one that best fits your needs and then customize the color and the text. The second tool they offer is inventory management. So currently on my website, I have over 100 items listed. So Squarespace helps me keep organized and they send me notifications anytime something is low in stock or completely out of stock. The third tool they offer is a built-in mobile website. So all of those templates that I showed you earlier all have their own unique mobile experience. So this just means that people can shop your website on a phone, an iPad, and even a desktop. So if you also want to start your own professional website to sell digital items, tangible items, or even a service, there is a free trial waiting for you at squarespace.com. But when you're ready to launch, visit squarespace.com/twinl to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code TWINL. But a huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to this unboxing. Not doing so great starting off, but it's not like the biggest fail in my book because I personally don't wear that much jewelry, so maybe we can redeem ourselves with some clothes. This is one of the clothing pieces, orange and black, giving Halloween. I love orange, so let's open this up and see what it is. Fingers crossed, it's somewhat cute. I love it, it's so cute. I love that everything so far has stars. This is freaking adorable. Y'all, I am obsessed. We have the contrast collar, the star right on the tummy, and then the color black sleeves. I love it. And then we have a front button closure. The back is totally clean, and this material is super soft. If you jump onto Tunnel Vision's website right now and just look at one item, the prices are pretty steep, and I get it though because they're in-house designs, they're sweatshop free, it's very ethical, but personally shopping at Tunnel Vision is a little outside of my budget. This item alone I'm sure is worth more than the bundle itself, so very happy with this one. Here's the second item. Oh no, you can already tell what it is. Okay, I like the leopard print. I don't know if I like the neon. How do I open this? How do I open this? Oh, it just looks like, yeah, you can honestly right in the packaging tell what it is. It's just a crop cami. Okay, I mean, I don't feel like it's the most hideous thing in the world, but I honestly don't see myself wearing this. But I do love that it's cropped, so it might be able to show my rib tattoos. We have the neon lace trimming along the bust. The shoulder straps are also adjustable, so love that. And then it's like satin construction, very sheeny, shiny, with an all over leopard print. I don't really like this. I feel like if the neon yellow was a black instead, kept it like a little bit more classic, totally would have been up my alley. And here is the last item, which I think is another shirt. I did choose my sizing for bottoms, but maybe that's a good thing because my hips can be a little tricky. With this, okay, again, not really my style. It's another satin piece. Look at these graphics. So we have a flower, we have an 8-ball, a little devil. What is this? This says, oh, bad girl with the heart and sword through it. This reminds me of the Doki Doki logo, doesn't it? And we've got a sun, a butterfly. I feel like alone, I do like all of these cute little graphics. But together, it kind of just looks like a rainbow threw up all over it. And the cut of this reminds me of like a matching pajama set. But don't get me wrong, because I know that kind of sounds like I'm talking crap, but I do like it. The fit, I think might be a little bit more huggy and fitted to the body, so that might work in our favor too. We can make it look a little bit more 90s with a black mini skirt, some tights, and boots. Time for the try-on portion just so that we can test the sizing, and we're starting with my least favorite, this leopard cami, which now that I have it on the body, it does not look that bad. I take it back, it's not hideous anymore, although I still prefer a black trimming, but the fit is really nice. I would say it fits a true size small. The material is surprisingly thicker than I thought it would be, so I'm not even wearing a bra. It's very opaque. We're seeing no nips. I think all I really needed was a little bit of styling, so I see myself wearing this come summertime when it gets really hot, but this is helping a little bit getting over this neon color. I tried my best here, y'all, but I honestly feel like I'm wearing someone else's clothes. This just doesn't feel like me whatsoever because it's so busy up top with the color and the graphics. I wanted to tone it down on the bottom, so we just have a classic little black mini skirt, black tights, and demonias. And if you know me and my channel, you're probably screaming through the screen right now, this is not you, this is not your style. But the only thing I really do like about it is the fit. And saving the best for last. You guys can clearly, why is it so loud? Oh my gosh. You know, sometimes I surprise myself with how I can live in downtown Los Angeles as an overstimulated girl. But okay, back to the sweater. I love it. Literally so obsessed. The color blocking almost gives me like those bowling shirts, but I'm kind of here for it. And it matches my hair. It gives Halloween vibes. So I don't have any Halloween themed clothes, so this is definitely gonna be pulled out when the time comes. That pretty much does it for unboxing a mystery bag from Tunnel Vision. It was an experience. Is it an experience I would do again? Probably not. Out of the 4 items, the only piece I really liked and see myself wearing is the button-up cardigan. But I still think it's worth it though, because I don't know the retail price of this actual sweater, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more than the $50 I spent on the bundle. I've already showed you guys how expensive it can be to shop ethically with Tunnel Vision, so I like that they do these mystery bundles because it just makes them a little bit more accessible. Those who don't have the largest budget can actually shop with them. I think for me, I'm good with just a single mystery bag. If you're still on the fence or you have this little itch, I would say try it out. You're definitely getting your money's worth and it's not that big of a risk. So if you've purchased one before in the past, let me know what you've gotten down below in the comments. But a huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. So don't forget, there is a free trial waiting for you at squarespace.com. But when you're ready to launch, visit squarespace.com/Twinelle to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code TWINELLE. But if there's another small business you want me to try out, comment it down below. As always, y'all, I do post videos at least once a week. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!